Hello guys, and welcome to another beautiful video. And in this video I'm going to be sharing with you how you can make money from selling information. Now if you have heard about this before, you will know that people make a lot of information from make a lot of money from information. Now my name is Awajimam Isuto, and I'm going to be showing you the basics of how you can sell information. Now when we talk about information, we're talking about whatever knowledge you have, whatever you have that can solve a problem, whatever skill you know that can solve a problem. Now, it might just be that you really don't have a skill, but you know something that can solve people's problem. That's an information. Okay, now I'm going to be sharing with you the basics. And if you haven't subscribed to this video, if you haven't liked, if you haven't subscribed to my videos before, please do that and hit the notification bell so that you can get information whenever you can get notified whenever I make new videos. All right, so quickly, what is information business? You might have heard about this. You might have heard about content creation, digital content creation. You might have heard about people making money from information, but you don't know what it's all about. So today I'm going to share that with you. What is information? What is information? Information is something that could be a secret, could be something that can change people's life, could be something that people want to know about. Okay, now when you sell it, when you turn it into a business, it becomes information business. And how does it relate to digital content creation? Now we have our smartphones today, we have our data, we have our devices. Okay, so if you can send this information through devices, and people can read it and solve problems with it and add value to their life, it becomes a digital content. Okay, it becomes a digital content. So you can actually create this content to solve their problems, okay, and sell it to them and make tons of money for yourself. Okay, now when you talk about digital content creation, we cannot talk about that completely without talking about digital products. Okay, a digital product is any information that can be found online. Your articles, your videos, your sound, your music, your templates, and what have you. These are all digital products, and people sell tons of it to make money. Usually the information could be one that solves a problem and can only be accessed through an electronic device. Okay, your smartphone, your laptop, your tablets. Okay, these are all devices through which you can access information online. So the types of digital products we have, all right, the types of digital products we have ebooks, we have audios, we have videos. Yeah, lots of people, you can create an idea, you can talk about stuffs and put it into an article and turn it into an ebook, and you have people buying from you. Okay, just one ebook can turn you into a millionaire. Audiobooks, you have podcasts, you have everything that has to do with your sound. Okay, your music, these are audio devices. People make tons of money on Spotify, on different music platform, on different streaming platform. People make huge sum of money. Okay, even videos these days, people love to see, people love to hear, people love to watch things. Okay, so if you have videos that teach people how stuffs work, if you have videos that shows people how to solve their problems, how to become better, how to become the best of themselves, if you have that as a video content, this is what people really want. Okay, and if you can sell it, you can actually make huge amounts of money doing that. Okay, so what are the steps to creating digital products? The first step to do that, there are 4 steps actually. The first step is to do your research. Okay, to do your research. one of the problems of people who are trying to make money online for the first time, if you're trying to make money online for the first time, most of the 99% don't do research. Research is key to starting any digital product you want to make. Research is key. When I say research, I'm talking about you knowing what are the people hungry for, who are the people that want that solution, what is the solution you want to create, where can you find these people, okay, where can you find them, how will you present your solution, what kind of solution are you planning to create. These are things that you should find out. These are things that you should make your research about. And when you have that settled down, when you have the information, the data you collect from your research, that is going to form the foundation for the content or the products that you are going to be creating. I hope you understand what I'm saying. Now, when you have found your data, your information from your research, the next thing you're going to do is to create your solution, to create your product. Okay, now when you find out, for instance, let's say you want to find out about how you can solve the problem of making money. A lot of people need to make money, a lot of people want to make money. You need to find out who are the people that really need money right now. Who are the people who really need money? Where are they found? Where can you find them? How do you deliver your video to them? So when you find out all of this, you cannot create if you from your information, you can even find out that, okay, I want to create an ebook, or I want to create an audio, or I want to create a video for these guys. Okay, so if you find out any of this, you can know what channel, what format you're going to create your digital products about. So number 2 is what? Creating. Number 3 is to promote. Promote. This is another big problem for people who do business online. Promotion is a very, very strategic thing you need to do to get your digital products to the hands of those who really want it. Okay, there are different ways you can promote. You can promote on Facebook, you can promote on Instagram, you can promote by word of mouth, you can promote through Facebook groups, you can promote through your WhatsApp status, you can promote through different ways. You can actually promote your digital products. Okay, and once you promote, you finish promoting. Now, before I talk about promoting, you need to understand that there is something called a sales funnel. There's something called sales funnel. Sales funnel is the process through which you take your audience from just knowing your product to actually buying your product. Okay, these are the channels through which you can take your audience from just seeing your content, from just seeing your product, to actually paying for your product. That's what sales funnel is all about. It works for any kind of business online. Now, the 4th one is to sell. Don't create a product and not sell. It's not going to make sense. Okay, so you have to sell. So there are different ways for you to sell and collect money online. All right, there are different ways. So these are the 4 ways for you to create a digital product. These are the 4 ways for you. The first stage is for you to actually put your business online and start making money. Okay, so what is next? What is next after this? What you've known a concept of what this is all about. So what is next? I should be teaching you everything about this, but time cannot allow us to deal with that in this video. Okay, so I am using that opportunity to invite you to my 5-day intensive training, where I'll be teaching you how this business works. I'll be teaching you everything you need to know about the information business. Okay, so what are you going to learn when you sign up for this class? The first thing you're going to learn is how to know what people are interested in buying before you create the solution. A lot of people don't do research, and because of that they end up frustrated. Okay, so I'm going to be teaching you how you can know what people are likely going to buy before you even create the product. The second thing you're going to learn how you can turn your business idea into digital products. You could make money from your physical product, and you could also make money from the idea of the product. Okay, so I'll be teaching you how to do that. The third thing you're going to learn from me when you sign up, you're going to learn how you can create digital content. I'll teach you how that works. You will learn how that works. The fourth thing you're going to learn is how you can create professional designs for your business. Now, the fifth thing you're going to learn is you're going to be learning how you can promote and sell your business even if you don't have money to run ads. Running ads is demanding, and you have to it requires you to pay some amount of money to Facebook for them to run your adverts for you. But there are other ways you can do it, so I'm going to be teaching you how you can promote even if you don't have money to run ads. Also, you will learn how you can earn from other people's products even if you don't have any product yet. Okay, the seventh thing you're going to learn, I'm going to show you 5 platforms where you can sell your digital information. All right, plus I'll be giving you a bonus if you sign up. Now, in this 5-day intensive training, it requires you to pay the sum of 7,000 naira to sign up for this. But if you are part of the first 20 people to sign up today, you only get it for 5,000 naira, and this works for just 20 people. So how do you sign up? You pay 5,000 naira to the account that you see on your screen. And after you've made payments, you just send me your name and your proof of payment to the WhatsApp number on your screen, and I'll add you to the group of 20 people who are going to be learning from my 5-day intensive training. Okay, so just a quick reminder of what you're going to learn when you sign up. You're going to learn how to know what people are interested in buying before you create the solutions. You're going to learn how to turn your business idea into digital product. You're going to learn how to create and sell digital products. You're also going to learn how to create professional designs from your business ideas, for your business ideas. You're also going to learn how to promote and sell your business even if you don't have money to run ads. 6, you're going to learn how you can earn from other people's products even if you don't have a product yet. You're going to learn also 5 platforms where you can sell your digital information. Plus, I'll give you a bonus when you sign up. Alright, so if this is what you're interested in, if you are very much interested in making money from online content, from creating content online, what are you waiting for? Sign up now. Alright, my name is Awajima Misioto, and if you have questions to ask, if you have inquiries, you want to make inquiries, please send me a message to the number that was displayed earlier on, and please do well to subscribe to this video, because when you subscribe it helps me to grow. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in another video. Take care.